Good morning class, this is your GK class and today we will going to fill lesson 27 and the name of the chapter is Riddle Time. There is riddles and we have to give answers of it. Okay. So now, question 1 is, why cannot a man living in India be buried in Nepal? Okay, and the answer is because he is still alive. Okay. The next question is, what starts with T, end with T and has T in it? Okay. ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो T से शुरू होती है, T पे खत्म होती है और उसमें भी T है? Okay. And the answer is T pot. Okay. Answer is teapot. Question 3. Which English verb, while rearranging its own letter, becomes its own past tense? जब हम इंग्लिश वर्ब में किसी लेटर को अरेंज करेंगे तो वो लेटर उसका पास्ट टेंस बन जाता है. ओके. एंड आंसर इज इट बिकम्स इट. ओके. The next question is, what can honk without a horn? What can honk without a horn? Okay. And answer is goose. Okay. Answer is goose. Question number 5. What gets beaten and piped but never cries? Okay? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जिसको मारा जाता है और तोड़ा जाता है पर वो रोता नहीं है? Anybody knows? It's a egg. When we want to try or want to make something from it, then we will beat it and broke it. Okay. So answer is egg. Now the next question is, how many blocks can you put in an empty box? आप एक खाली बॉक्स में कितने ब्लॉक्स रख सकते हैं? आंसर इज 1. बिकॉज जब हम उसमें 1 ब्लॉक खाली बॉक्स में 1 ब्लॉक रख देंगे तो वो खाली नहीं रहेगा. ओके. सो द आंसर इज 1 ब्लॉक. ओके. 7. What is as tall as giraffe but weight nothing at all? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो जिराफ से भी बड़ी होती है लेकिन उसका वेट 0 होता है? Anybody knows? It's a giraffe shadow. Okay. Giraffe shadow, or we can say shadow the shadow of the giraffe. Answer 8. What two keys cannot open any door? ऐसी कौन सी दो कीज है जो डोर को नहीं खोल सकती हैं? They are monkey and donkey. Okay. Monkey and donkey. Okay. Which letter of the English alphabet has the most water? Anybody knows? इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स के किस लेटर में सबसे ज्यादा पानी है? कोई बता सकता है? इट्स सी. सी. Okay, sea pronounced like sea. Sea means samudra. Okay, so sea is most of the water. Okay. 9th one. What five letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? ऐसा कौन सा वर्ड है जिसमें 2 लेटर्स ऐड करने से वो बहुत छोटा हो जाता है? It's short. Short plus ER becomes shorter. Okay? So your lesson is complete now. Do it in your book and note also. Okay? Thank you.